let's talk a little bit about who's in lane 1. It's the Seton School. In lane 2, Bishop O'Connell. In lane 3, Flint Hill. In lane 4, Trinity. In lane 5, Hampton Roads Academy. And we've got our
lane 6 is Collegiate
School. As the swimmers take the water here. In lane 7, we have St. Catherine's School. In lane 8, we have Bishop Ireton. And we're just about ready. The championship round is underway. Swimmers come up underwater. Oh, what a great underwater.
Yeah, Haley Ladd.
Lane 4.
Yep,
wow.
Haley Ladd, Trinity. That was a great start, great underwater. She's showing it again right here.
Anna Kenna, the freshman in lane 1 from Seton.
Yeah, she's taking it out nicely.
Got the lead. Her team will hit the water for the second leg first. And now the breaststroke. This is Emily Heim in lane 1 with the lead. Giving chase in lane 3 is Lauren Freeman, the junior from Flint Hill. And Freeman's got the lead now by a length. In lane 8.
Yeah, she opened it up. That's right.
Anna from Bishop Ireton gets her team close to the
Yeah,
front.
we talked about her this morning as well. She's one to watch.
Mimi Baker from Flint Hill with the butterfly is out front.
Okay, now Trinity's caught it up. You watch Kate Neslick go off this block in lane 4. She's going to be tough to beat. She's the #1 seed in the 50 free later tonight.
Lead in lane 5 for Melina Garbo. Neslick gaining ground. At the turn, they're all even.
Oh, this is exciting. Neslick's out in front. There she goes.
Neslick by a hair. This place is coming unglued. And she will win the state championship for her team with a tremendous final leg.
That was great, and it's a new record, 147.92. The old record was 148.09. If that's an official time, that's a new record right there.
She was a few lengths behind.